Hi, welcome to my channel Crafting with Akhila. Firstly, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Come on, let's make peacock earrings. Take a cardboard and let's draw the shape of the peacock. Now, cut 4 cardboards with this shape. Now, take a green cloth and stick it to all 4 cardboards. Now stick eye pin on the top and bottom of the cardboard. You can also use jump rings. Now, stick other cardboard with this cardboard. Now repeat the same procedure with other cardboard. Now let's take blue and green kundans and stick the blue kundans to the body and green for the feather. Now let's leave this to dry. Meanwhile, let's make the jhumka for this. Take 3 quilling strips which are in green color and roll it into a tight coil. Now take a eye pin, insert into the coil. At one side, let's insert a pearl so that when we form a jhumka, it doesn't show the extra eye pin. Now let's form a ring at the other end of the eye pin. Now push the center of the quilling coil to form a jhumka. Now let's stick 6 blue kundans on top of the jhumka. Now I am taking this type of chain. Actually I thought to use a stone chain, but I forgot it. Never mind. Stick this at the bottom of the jhumka. Now take a small head pin, insert a pearl and coil the end into a ring. Now hook this to the eye pin of the jhumka. Now let's hook this jhumka to our peacock. At last, let's hook this peacock to the ear wire. And tada! हमारे earring बन गया. इट्लुंटल मंतुट.